Now then guys, welcome back to Dive Loop Coasters. My name is Sam and you join me for my first ever visit here at Slick City. Now I know I'm dressed a bit weird, but I will say it's 36 degrees today, so thankfully there is aircon in there. We've just been in there, we've got our snazzy little socks that we need to wear, and we've checked in. So yeah, really looking forward to it. There's loads of slides. I've got the chest mount as well, so we can take you on with on-slide POVs. And we've got Abby today, haven't we?
Hello.
So well, let's head in there now then, and we'll get checked in, we'll get on the slides, and we'll show you guys everything that it's got to offer. Okay, here we go. And so this park's actually not long been open. It actually opened a few months ago, and I've been wanting to come here ever since. So yeah, really looking forward to seeing it. So here we are then. Wow, it's looking so cool. It is very loud in there, so I'll have to talk loudly. But yeah, we'll get our socks on and we'll head straight in there now and go on the first slide. Well then, here we go. So we've got a nice selection of slides here. So I think we're just going to start left to right over there. Everything's walk on. There's barely a queue here, but these look absolutely fantastic. So yeah, we'll get you some off slide shots and then yeah, take you along. So we've also got these little mats here. So we've done a little safety brief. Yeah, and you have to wear the snazzy socks. Fantastic. So yeah, we'll head to the first one now. Ooh. Here we go. That was the first slide. Whee! Hey. That's our slide one done, making our way back up there now. I will say though, I can't see anything because when you're walking up these stairs, these lights are blinding. So yeah, there's a little bit of a point there, but yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic here. Haven't been open now, I think about 2 months. Well, let's jump back on this one. Right, we've got a slider cam here. It's a little bit, you've got to kind of shimmy forward, so right. Here we go. Oh, God. Fantastic. Alright, here comes next then. So yeah, I don't think there's any chance of making over this hump as there's quite a lot of resistance on my mat because I'm quite heavy. Yeah, I weigh 82 kilos, so yeah, a little bit of a drag on there. But Abby is flying down, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't like it.
So we'll head on this one now. Yeah, I don't think I'm making over this hump, but we'll certainly give it a go. Hey, oh, I missed. Fantastic. I will say though, I do like a child, don't I?
Oh yeah.
I really do like a kid, mate. We're having a good laugh. So yeah, we've got loads of slides left, so we're just going to keep doing POV, and we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Oh God. We made it. We've got a race, me versus Abby. Having a fantastic day so far. We're going to head now on the yellow one, looking pretty good. And I've just seen a massive kind of bowl slide down there, which we're looking forward to. So yeah, let's jump on this one. Alright, let's do it. I definitely have a problem with friction. I'm not very fast. Yeah, it's not really designed for people like me, this. I've got this little orange snake there, and we've just seen a giant trampoline or something. Oh, this should be fun. I tell you, you do get fit coming up these stairs. It's like a sheer cliff, these things. Absolutely humongous. Here we go. Oh, we're doing alright. Oh, it's quite good. Whee! Oh, God. Oh, God. Ow. Man down. Well, that's the quickest side of the day so far. I think because it's quite steep, the friction's a bit less there. But yeah, you kind of hit this thing at the bottom, and yeah, it's a bit painful. Right then, let's see what we're going to store for us up here. So that one's blocked off. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, no, it's blocked off. Ah, that's rubbish. Well, I guess we're not doing that one, man. That's a bit of rubbish. It's closed down, that one, but whatever. We've got a slide breakage. I don't know. Anyway, we'll head on the next ones now. There's still like loads left to do here. And then also we've got this kind of sky climb thing that we're going to go on a bit later on, which we'll just show you now. The green thing on the ceiling, we're going to do that after as well. So yeah, looking forward to it. Look at this beauty. Oh, that's fantastic. And then you actually got the space ball down there as well. And then you got these slides here where you sort of come shooting off onto to the mat. So yeah, we're going to do the green one first, then we'll come on the blue one afterwards. Let's check it out. It's like a big junction up here. There's just slides everywhere. I mean, look at these. Got one's down there, you got one's over there, you got one just came down there. Yeah, I think we're going to head here first to the green one. Let's jump on. Oh God, it's a little bit wonky profiling. Ooh, we made it. Let's go. Lovely. On the big one. Oh, let's go. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good. Well, that is absolutely bloody excellent. I will say I am knackered. Obviously, up and down them stairs. This is a great way if you want to do some fitness. But yeah, get yourself into Slick City. We're going to get a drink now, aren't we? Yeah. We've been here about half an hour now. We are knackered. So yeah, we're going to get a little bit of water, some food, and then we'll carry on with these ones afterwards. Well, that hit the spot, I will say so. It is very hot, it's 36 degrees today. However, the aircon here is actually really good. So we've sat down there for what, about 20 minutes there? Yeah, about 20 minutes, and I'll say I've cooled down massively. So yeah, the temperature is very good. So even on really hot days, it's not too bad. I will say they did recommend that you wear full long sleeve and bottoms, so you don't get basically friction build on the slides. However, because you've got the mats, which we've forgotten by the way, because you've got the mats, you don't feel it. So yeah, it's not too bad. So even on a warm day, you can still come here and have a great time. Alright, here we go on the ball. Whee! Oh no. Here we go. That's a good drop. Goodbye. Oh God, you went that with some force. Next. Well, I've just done 5 shots on that to get that off-right shot. That really hurt after 5 shots, not gonna lie. Yeah, really good, actually, really enjoyable. I think there's about 6 slides left here, so we've actually been going 1 hour 15 minutes, and we still got loads to do, so you can really do a full day. It was fantastic, to be fair. Right, on to the next one. Okay, so we're going to go on the red one. However, I'm just finding slides everywhere. There's also a purple one here. So yeah, we'll go on this one as well. Oh, Christ almighty. Bloody hell, I will say I wasn't expecting that. That one is steep. It really hurts as you come down. It doesn't really help that I've got the chest mount on. That's the scariest slide here by miles. That's the only one I don't actually want to do again. That was pretty intense, that one. You're definitely not doing that, are you? No, you can't. Next. Well, on to the next one. Got these 2 Julian slides here. Whee! So these little safe ones tend to be the quicker ones. Here's the other side one then. Alright, oh my God. Oh God, this is some questionable banking. Lovely. Oh my God! Oh, face plant, ow! Right, here we go! Ah, oh, dear me! Well, then here we go, then the final slider at Slick City. Oh God! I'm getting old now. Alright, let's go! Alright! Oh God! Ow. Oh, that didn't go to plan, I tell you. Oh, God, falling. Oh. There you are, hi. Well, there we are, that's every single slide done here at Slick City, and I have to say, it's absolutely fantastic to be fair. Really enjoyable. I will say, while I remember, every single slide has got multiple entrances, so it's not like you get lost, you can find everything fairly easily. So these three here, for example, you can go down this side and you can also go down that side. These are the same place, yeah, really well designed. It's been well thought out to be fair, and these are very good, because I will say, I fell off one there and I got a bit of friction burn, it was quite painful, so yeah, definitely use these, it's fantastic. But right, we're now going to just go get cool down a bit, because it's bloody hot, and then we'll meet you guys over at the, what's it called? Air glider, there we are, see you up there.
It's an extra £4 a person. A lot of people seem to think that it's included, it's not. So if you are wanting to do it, make sure you look on the website when you're booking it.
You've been told? Well then, it's just gone 3 o'clock then, so that is the end of our 2-hour session here. Just a couple more shots on the yellow ones here, I think they're my favourites. Absolutely bloody fantastic. Final point to note before we go on to the next one. It's bloody hot up there, because you've got aircon but heat risers. It's so hot up the top and you just scan around up the stairs, so yeah, just bear that in mind, it's bloody hot there, but hey, if you come down here and give it sort of a few minutes, you do tend to cool down. But right, we'll head to that next one now. We'll see you guys up there. She's straight off. Oh, well done, Alvin. There we are. Well, that's heading up. Well, then we're all harnessed up then, so yeah, it's a fairly loose fit, but it's fine. So we're going to jump on now and take you on with us. Thank you. Here we go then, guys. Woo! Hey. Oh, it chafes a bit. Got some swinging action here. So they're just hanging around. Woo! That's time. Across the line. Woo! Lovely. Thank you very much. Right guys, that brings us to the end of our day here then at Slick City. I will say I've had an absolutely fantastic day. It's currently 38 degrees out here. Oh my God.
It's ridiculous.
We thought it was quite warm in there, but actually when you walk out, no, it's actually quite cool in there. So that's the only thing I can really say today that I wasn't a massive fan of. It's so bloody hot up at that roof.
Yeah,
you're just melting because you've just climbed up the stairs. But if that's the only thing I can really nitpick on, it's not bad, is it? Honestly, really, really enjoyable to be fair. I've watched come here for around 2 or 3 months because it opened actually, and Adventure Dad, shout out to you, Jay. He actually put it on his Instagram, and from then I've watched come here. So yeah, honestly, really, really good. I think 2 hours is just the right amount of time. I did pretty much every slide 3 times. So I did a normal POV, a front-facing POV, and then Abby got an off-ride shot as well, so off-slide shot, whatever. So I've done every slide 3 times, and then I did a couple at the end there as well. So we've done everything, and I've literally been like running up and down, up and down, up and down. I know it says no running, sorry about that, I've just seen that sign there. But honestly, yeah, it's just the right amount of time, and then I think 1 shot on the air glider, I think that's quite enough because that's quite painful. So, but apart from that, I mean, we've not rushed, have we? We've just taken it chill, to be fair. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, if you've not checked it out, come here, it's in Nottingham, come and check it out. I'll put a thing on the map there, where it is, because I know it's quite new and not many people know about it, but honestly, it's bloody fantastic to be fair. So if you're a small kid or a big kid like me, you'll have an absolutely fantastic day. But that's it from me here. However, if you want to see my thoughts on the Grand National of its reopening, then check out the video over here, and we'll see you over there.